get more of this, subscribe to this channel, then click this icon to get notification whenever I produce a new video. You can call or WhatsApp me if you have any questions or you want to book an online class. Question number 15, we are told the school decided to buy at least 32 bags of maize and beans. The number of bags of beans were at least 6. A bag of maize cost 2,500 and a bag of beans cost 3,500 Kenyan shillings. The school had 100,000 Kenyan shillings to purchase the maize and beans. Write down all the inequalities that satisfy the above information. So the first thing we can say is let X represent maize and Y represent beans. That is beans. So what we have is the school. So it means that at least the school wanted to buy at least 32 bags of maize. So what it means, the inequality that to form here is that X plus Y must be greater than or equals to 32, the number of bags that they intended to buy. So we are also told the number of bags were to be at least 6. So meaning, since Y beans a number of bags of beans are represented by Y, then Y must be greater than or 6. That is, the minimum should be 6. Then we have the third one, that they had 100,000 K to spend, and therefore what that means is that if you multiply the cost of maize, that is 2,500x plus the cost of one bag of beans is 3,500y. That should be, because they only had 100,000 amount of money to spend, this should be less than or equals to 100,000, which you can simplify by dividing. Let's first of all divide by 100, so we get 100, divide by 100, divide by 100. So that will give us, you simplify here, simplify here, simplify here. So we can again divide by 5. When you divide by 5, you'll be able to get 5x. Here you divide by 5, you get plus 7y. When you divide 1,000 by 5, you get it is 200. So these are the three inequalities that describes the information given up there, and the marks to be awarded. You have awarded 1 mark there, then another one there, and this one, and then we have the answer, you get 1 mark. So that is how marks will be distributed, so that you score 4 marks. So this question is from inequalities, which you covered in Form 2, and you also covered some inequalities in other sections in the course of the Form 4 syllabus.